Welcome to 188 Collins Street, Huon Aquaculture's reimagined headquarters. For this project, we collaborated closely with Philp Lighton Architects to co-create a space which consolidated 2 floors into one.
The key objectives that we were hoping to achieve with this workspace was to firstly showcase our new brand, and the second one was to introduce some new ways of working that were more contemporary and fostering an open plan collaboration space for our staff.
So we sort of started on this journey thanks to our new CEO. He could see teams across 2 floors and not a lot of synergies, and he's like, well, why don't we just all consolidate on one level? So it was at that point we looked locally to see who we can partner with to make this sort of dream happen. And we were very lucky to be able to meet and talk to the team over at Philp Lighton. And then they put us in contact with Bentley. So yeah, it was a really good process and we're very thankful for that.
And for us as a company, we're very focused on sort of the Tasmanian community. So the fact that we've been able to partner with 2 local businesses is sort of ticking a box for us around giving back in that regard.
So Hannah came to us, she'd worked with them on the architecture, and then we partnered and worked through a collaborative process to specify, say, upholsteries and different furnishings that was going to speak to that brand identity.
So I worked with Bentley and Millie to choose furniture that fit the space. They were really knowledgeable to help us select the right finishes and furniture that fit in with the branding. We also needed to then fit about 100 desks into this space. So consolidating into an open plan, 1 level, worked really well.
One important aspect of the brief from Huon was to create a space that was ergonomic and functional, as well as keeping it cohesive. So bringing the 100 staff together on 1 floor, we wanted to make sure that all the furniture was going to match to make the space really clean and inviting.
We've created such a great space here for Huon to come to work. We're really pleased with the result and believe that it will function for them for many years to come.
Our new workspace has really impacted our staff morale. There was a bit of adjustment for everyone coming onto 1 open plan floor, but they've certainly embraced it, and we're seeing teams come together that otherwise wouldn't have had the opportunity to come together. The process, it's always quite challenging, but I think the focus and the process that Bentley took was really to get to know us and really to understand what was that outcome, what were the key things that we're hoping to achieve in our new space. And I think it's certainly been nailed, and the end result we're really proud of, and it really depicts the key aspects that we're trying to achieve.
Yeah, absolutely. Bentley were great, and they brought nothing but professionalism and style to our level 12 development. We're really grateful and thankful for that.